I never go into the wilderness without these 3 things. A first aid kit. You never know when someone could get hurt or cut and need minor medical attention. Make sure you're prepared with band-aids for small cuts and pain meds for headaches or sprains. Also, if you're camping with a firearm, it wouldn't hurt to bring a small IFAK, that's individual first aid kit, suited for those types of injuries. Make sure you have tourniquets and the items in your first aid supplies are not expired. Most importantly, learn how to use them. A knife. Some people like to carry a pocket knife or a good dependable fixed blade knife. Either way, if you need to make kindling for a fire, split wood, or cut lines to build a shelter, a good knife always comes in handy. Hopefully, you won't need to use it to build a sling or a splint, but if you do, you'll want to have a good knife. Emergency communications. I carry a Garmin inreach Mini when I'm camping. It uses the Iridium satellite network and allows you to stay in contact with loved ones and let them know where you are. In an emergency situation that requires rescue, you can use it to call for help and have rescue teams come get you. Those are the 3 things that I always bring with me on my adventures. What about you? What 3 things can you not go on an adventure without? Post it up in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and see what things I should consider adding to my list.